One of the immediate triggers for the RBI to take steps to make the rupee popular beyond boundaries is the Russia-Ukraine war, which started in February 2022 and is still continuing. The resultant sanctions following the Russian invasion of Ukraine made many countries wary of the price they may have to pay if they are subjected to similar sanctions by the West. The thought process, however, for such a move predates the war in Europe. The 2020-21 Currency and Finance Report of RBI said, looking ahead, the emergence of INR as an international currency appears inevitable. In July last year, the RBI allowed bilateral trade settlement in the Indian rupee, mainly aimed at buying Russian oil with the Indian rupee, a move that has been interpreted as the first step towards making the rupee global. Last week, Indian and UAE governments agreed to settle trade in local currencies, yet another step towards that direction. RBI had set up an interdepartmental group to review the position of the Indian rupee as an international currency and chart a roadmap for the internationalization of the rupee. The IDG report was put up in the public domain earlier this month. The IDG report notes, the Indian rupee has the potential to become an internationalized currency as India is one of the fastest growing countries and has shown remarkable resilience even in the face of major headwinds. Importantly, the IDG said that capital account convertibility is not a precondition for internationalizing the rupee, or vice versa, and that the current level of capital account convertibility gives enough room for initiating steps towards internationalization. India has made appreciable progress in capital account convertibility, global value chain integration, setting up gift city, etc. The higher usage of INR in invoicing and settlement of international trade and capital account transactions will give the rupee a progressively international presence. Currency internationalization has been described as the international extension of a national currency's basic functions of serving as a unit of account, medium of exchange, and store of value. In other words, the internationalization of a currency is an expression of its external credibility as the economy integrates globally. The US dollar is said to enjoy an exorbitant privilege among global currencies. Among the benefits, the internationalization of its currency allows the country's exporters and importers to limit exchange rate risk. At the same time, there are certain challenges to the internationalization of a currency, as it may result in the potential increase in volatility of its exchange rate in the initial stages. IDG concluded that the benefits of internationalization in terms of limited exchange rate risk, lower cost of capital due to better access to international financial markets, high seigniorage benefits, and reduced requirements of foreign exchange reserves far outweigh the costs.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.